This is a commonly overlooked part of your backcountry touring kit, and 99% of the time you're not going to use it. But if you want your repair kit or your first aid kit, you really want it. In my pack every day when I tour, I have a way to communicate with my partners. I've been carrying these BCA link radios. That way I can go back and forth if it's windy or if I ski a long pitch. I also always have a headlamp. Whether I'm going on a 1-hour tour or a 10-hour tour, you never know what's going to happen. The other thing that goes in the bottom of my backpack, which I rarely use, is this rescue sled and emergency shelter. I've got this big fancy one. You can also use those little small foil ones, but some way that if someone gets hurt, you can keep them warm and dry and get them out of the elements. And along with mine, I've got some cord to pull this sled out if I need to evacuate someone. My repair kit consists of very few items that are quite versatile. I have some flagging tape in case I need to go get a helicopter or get someone's attention and mark a route. I have baling wire, and this can help put together ski boots that are broken. It can help with snowboard bindings. It's just quite versatile and doesn't weigh much. I always carry duct tape because if you can't fix it with duct tape, I don't know what you can fix it with. The other thing I have here is binding screws and plumber's putty. I've seen quite a few bindings ripped out of skis and snowboards, and this is one way to fix that problem. I've got a ski pole splint. It's made out of a cut off beer can or soda can, and then some small hose clamps. Extra batteries, because it's a bummer when you get to the trailhead and your buddy's transceiver is out of batteries. So I always have an extra set of those. I carry a scraper to scrape off snow or wax on my skis. And if it's nice and warm, I always carry skin wax, because if you're walking in high heels carrying half the mountain with you, your touring day is much less fun. I have a Leatherman, some sort of tool to be able to adjust bindings, ski straps, which I think are the best thing since sliced bread. These things can fix just about anything. I've fixed broken boots with them. I've fixed broken bindings. I've limped my way out of the mountains just using ski straps. And if someone really rips a binding out of a ski and there's no way you can get it back in, I have used a hose clamp that goes over the boot and over the ski and limp someone out of the mountains like that. So this is what I carry as a repair kit. And along with that repair kit, I carry a human repair kit, or my first aid kit. My first aid kit consists of a few things. Gloves in case someone's bleeding and I need to deal with that. Band-aids, steri strips in case someone really slices themselves on a ski or on a tree. Tape so I can adhere anything. I carry tampons. You can either save your girlfriend or wife's day or stop a really bad bloody nose with these. I carry a face shield with me in case it's a dire emergency and I need to give someone CPR. I always carry ibuprofen and Benadryl. Those seem to be the most commonly needed meds. Some sort of foot repair for blisters and for people in new boots. Hand warmers, they really make a difference if you've got frozen hands. They can, 1, warm you up, and 2, help you make better decisions at that point. And I carry an ACE wrap for a tweak knee or for just fixing any big bleed. My first aid and repair kit for a day tour consists of the minimum of what I need to fix the most common problems, but not so much gear that my backpack weighs 100 pounds and I'm not enjoying the trip.